Ella, I got you by your squishy.
Yay! Welcome to Ella's Fidget Haul.
I want to do that one first.
Okay, you're going to do the McDonald's. Let me open it for you. Okay, and you gently pull it out so you don't break it. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Okay, you want to do the first squish?
Yeah, it's nice. Now your turn to feel it on the video.
Oh my god, it even has the McDonald's sign and the Nito sign. Oh my god, this is so nice. Okay, so now the Mellow Mala. Let me help you open this. Changes color in the sunlight.
I know.
Oh, it's so nice. Let's go outside to see if it changes colors.
Yeah.
Okay, we're outside now. Let's put it in the sun. Oh, it's so foggy since it's a Canada wildfire. Oh, see, it's changing purple. It's like purple. Oh my! I know it's changing this part purple. See, this part's more pink. Oh, do I squeeze it?
Yeah.
See, it's like purple. Okay, let's go back inside. Okay, well, Ella rated the McDonald's Nito 8 out of 10. And what's this one, Ella?
That one is
It's really nice.
10 out of 10.
Ooh.
Because I really like the change.
Now, the butter. Let me open it for you. Okay. Get excited.
Yeah.
Okay, do the first squish.
It's sticky.
Oh, it's so nice.
And it's so sticky.
Okay, for your favorite one. So, Ella, close your eyes and let the fans see it first. Okay. The fans saw it. Okay. Now I'll open this super carefully. Okay, now I want you to open it. 3, 2, 1. Wait, Ella, but what did you rate the butter?
The butter is kind of sticky, so I would do like 6 out of 5.
What's the glitter?
The glitter, 10 out of 10.
Okay, well, thank you for watching Ella's Fidget Haul. We'll see you next time in my Fidget Haul. Bye. Go check out my Fidget Haul in the description below. Bye.
Bye.